Hey, this is Hans coming at you with another unboxing time with the Ramen Raider. Today we've got a box from the United States. This is a box from exoticnoods.com. They're a subscription service. As you can see, your exotic nudes are sent to you in a discreet brown cardboard box. Let's have a look and see what's inside for this, the October green box. And we're greeted with a wad of butcher paper. Butcher paper, it makes good packing material. Your informational sheets that have information about all the varieties that come in here. So why don't we go through those and see what we got. All right, first we got a broad noodle from Szechuan Baija. They're a company out of China. I'll read what they have to say about it. Tangy and robust in flavor, this sour tomato flavored Szechuan broad noodle from Baija is bold and delicious. The glutamic acid in tomatoes is responsible for umami. Combined with vinegar, it produces a pleasant tang in this noodle soup. We recommend adding some fresh slices of tomatoes and your favorite green vegetables at the end of cooking. Next up we have an Indonesian variety. This is mie sedap with the baso sapi. Let's have a look and see what they have to say. Baso or bakso refers to Indonesian meatballs that are made of beef. It is a popular street food as it's sold by street vendors in Indonesia and is typically served with noodles in a clear soup. You can't go wrong with adding your favorite meatballs. We're partial to those IKEA meatballs, but this flavor comes close. Oh, I don't know, man. IKEA meatballs. Wasn't there a thing about those? I think maybe go with the, if you go to an Asian grocery, you'll see lots of Vietnamese varieties. Maybe give those a try. Those are pretty close. A lot of the Indonesian meatballs will be big, and they actually have an egg in the middle of them. Here's another Szechuan Baija variety. This is a vermicelli, a hot and sour one. I'll read. This one is produced by the Szechuan Baija Food Company, located in the provincial capital city of Chengdu in Sichuan Province, China. The interesting thing about this noodle is that unlike traditional Chinese vermicelli, cellophane noodles made with rice flour, this broad vermicelli is made with sweet potato flour. Here's an absolute classic from Hong Kong. This Deme seafood ramen has a more mild seafood flavor than most. As is often the case, this iteration pairs well with green onion, shrimp, or even a bit of kimchi for a burst of spice and tang. The seasoning packet includes a very mild fish cake called narutomaki, the one with the pink swirl. But if you prefer a stronger seafood flavor, fish cake located in the Asian section of your local supermarket would be a perfect addition to this ramen. Very nice. I was about to say the same thing. So this is an interesting one. This is a black pepper crab cup noodle from Hong Kong. Black pepper crab is one of the two most popular ways crab is served in Singapore. It is made with hard shell crab and fried with black pepper. Unlike the other popular chili crab dish, it is lighter due to the absence of a sauce. Black pepper crab is liked by many locals and foreign tourists over the chili crab because of its drier and fragrant pepperish nature. It is becoming very popular to mix the pepper crab with a fresh jackfruit sauce. It is, however, not on the list of Singapore's national dishes. And next up, we've got a cheese ramen from Otogi. They're from South Korea. I will read yet again. This ramen packs mild heat and cheesiness. If you can't read Korean, we got you. For preparation, bring 550 milliliters or 2 1/3 cups of water to a boil and then add the soup base, veggie sachet, and noodle cake. Do not add the cheese powder soup yet. Boil for 4 minutes, add the cheese sachet, stir and enjoy. Try adding your favorite cheese in sliced form for a nice texture change and added cheesiness. Alright, awesome. We've got another one from China. It's like blowing up China in this box this time. That's pretty cool. We've got a Jinmeilang variety. Let's see what they have to say. JML noodles are known for their springy texture. This instant noodle has unique stewed pork flavors similar to that of Chinese red braise, which is mainly soy sauce, brown sugar, star anise, and other herbs. To prepare, just add boiling water to the noodle cake and seasoning packet, cover and wait 3 minutes, stir and enjoy. I was told once by somebody from JML that 1 in 4 packages of instant noodles sold in the world is their brand. So they're doing something right. And finally, we've got a little cup from Otogi. This is a Jin Ramen Mild Cup. See what it has to say. This ramen flavor from Otogi is very popular in South Korea and comes in both cup and packet forms. It also comes in large bowls too. There are actually many small eateries in Korea that offer the Jin Ramyun as a meal that's topped off with egg, meat, and vegetables. Alright, so in this box you get black pepper crab from Hong Kong, Chinese hot and sour vermicelli, seafood deme ramen from Hong Kong, sour tomato from Szechuan, China, Indonesian meatball flavor, a Korean cheese ramyun, stewed pork from China, and information about each variety. Alright, well cool. If you want to pick up one of these, head over to exoticnoods.com. That's www.exoticnoods.com. exoticnoods.com. It's a great gift. Everybody who likes noodles probably will like a lot of these in here, so that's pretty cool. I've got a coupon code for you, and it'll save you a little bit. You ready? You ready? You ready? Boom! Yeah, that's it. Boom! Boom, 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 ba-doom, ba-doom, boom, boom, boom. So there you go. Coupon code, website. Here's what you get in the October box. Cool, and this is called the green box, by the way. So cool. This has been Hans, the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Thanks to the folks over at Exotic Noods for shooting this over, and I'll catch you later. Bye.